Ano po kaya yung masasabi po ninyo yun dun sa issues ni Lilian din sa persahang pagkuha ng mga dokumento sa tanggapan ni Yusek Cabral?
First, we have to establish the facts. Paano ba talaga niya kinuha yung so-called Cabral files? Was it really forcible? Because it's forcible, it can lead to any... but the problem with that is that kapag may criminal case to be filed, it has to be initiated by the complainant, by the aggrieved party. And the complainant here is not with us anymore. She's gone. She passed away already. Pero kailangan kasi ma-establish muna ano yung sinasabi na pwersahan na kinuha yung alleged files na yan. And then secondly is a question also of propriety. Na tama ba yan na basta-basta na lang kukunin? And I'm not sure whether there was a predicate letter request man lang, which is called for by basic courtesy and even professionalism, especially that the Congressman Representative Leviste is a public servant. He's an elected official, so he would know those basic rules of professionalism. And then yung ano nga is that we're talking here about the files in the possession before of somebody, an undersecretary. But it personally sa kanya, nasa kanya. Personal possessor siya ng so-called files na yan. So, wala na si Yusek Cabral, so paano natin i-authenticate yan? So, kailangan ng proseso rin na pag-authenticate. DPWH and also Ombudsman. And then the question of how official is that list?
Yes.
Cabral files. There is also that question.
Opo. Kung
Can that be considered as official already?